Welcome! Today we'll learn about dynamic study modules and their primary function in education. Let's explore the primary function of dynamic study modules. Here's our question. What is the primary function of dynamic study modules? Let's look at our options. Option 1. Allow students to collaborate with each other on assignments. Option 2. Give students real-life applications of concepts. Option 3. Assess what a student knows and where to focus additional study. Option 4. Normalize student learning for lecture planning. The primary function of dynamic study modules is to assess what a student already knows and identify where they need additional study. Let's see why this is the correct answer. Dynamic study modules work through adaptive learning. First, they evaluate a student's current knowledge. Then, they identify areas where the student needs more practice. The modules adapt their questions based on student performance, creating a personalized learning path. This adaptive approach offers several benefits. It helps students study more efficiently, provides immediate feedback, and ensures focused practice on areas that need improvement. Remember, dynamic study modules are designed to help you learn more effectively by identifying and focusing on the areas where you need the most practice.